So you have a business and maybe you're using social media, but when you talk to customers, you still don't have a website to give them. You can build a professional and great looking website quickly. The key is don't overcomplicate it. Over and over, I see people say, well, I'm not ready for a website. It's too expensive. It'll take too long to set up. But none of that is true. Setting up a website today is pretty straightforward if you have what you need to get it going right away. Social media is important, but social media isn't going to get your customers all the information they need at once. You still need to be able to provide basic details, put all your products and services in one place, give them hours or a location or contact info. Look, you can build this business card website in one day. And all you have to do is focus on your products and services and not worry about the technical details. Wasting time, where am I going to host it? How am I going to get an email? How am I going to set up a storefront? I'm going to walk you through the reasons to use Squarespace as your website so you can set it up quickly and easily on your own.
So I'm going to be talking to you about fully managed site options. There's a lot of competitors out there. There's Wix, WordPress, Shopify, and Squarespace. Squarespace, I've used it a bit now and I really like the way it works. Squarespace is a fully managed cloud hosting service. It's a modern all-in-one hosting solution, does everything for you. It can take care of a domain name. It'll set up Google Workplace with a professional looking email address. And also, they keep it up to date with the latest standards, make sure it's secure, and eliminate any potential security issues. So why Squarespace? First off, they have simple and beautiful templates that look professional and are really easy to use. And if you decide a little bit later that you don't quite like the one you picked, you can go and just change to another template. You can also make site-wide changes quickly and easily. So that means if you want to change a color, a background color, a font, a size of a font, you can do that quickly and it'll go and change it across the entire site without you having to click on every single page. Squarespace also has the ability to set up a storefront. You can quickly and easily set up products and a payment processor. Another great feature, especially in today's world where everyone is working remotely, you can actually set up a scheduling service. You can have one-on-one consultations with your clients or customers. You can set up webinars with one or a limited number of participants, or even large classes with an almost unlimited number of students. You can also sell these products using Square, PayPal, or Stripe, all at the click of a button. So one of the questions I get is, why should you build your own website? Well, maybe you just want to bootstrap your business. You want to take care of some of the basics yourself. A web designer can cost anywhere from $500, several $100s to thousands of dollars, depending on what you're working with. If you do it yourself, you can also make instant changes to the content, design, and you can see what works best for your audience and customers. Squarespace provides 24/7 support. It looks professional out of the box using their templates. It's very easy to use. There's no coding needed. You don't have to do any coding at all. Squarespace is also optimized for mobile and desktop for the widest audience. It's secure by default. It uses search engine optimization best practices. It makes blogging easy. With a few clicks of a button, you can publish a new blog every day or every week. And if this seems like too much, you could always just hire a web designer. I just want to give you one piece of advice. Just make sure that they're giving you ownership of your domain, your email address, and your website so that you can retain the freedom to work with any designer you like in the future.
So you may be asking yourself, is Squarespace still the best? So let's just talk about some of the alternatives real quick. So if you want to publish actual courses where people are dripped content over days or after they complete previous content, A courseware site like Kajabi might be the best for you. If you're creating handmade items or art, clothing, or furniture, Etsy might be the best. They're geared towards promoting to an audience that's looking for that type of thing. If you want to focus on funnel pages that that are marketing with upsells and bumps and things like that, you may be looking for something like ClickFunnels. And if you want to focus on traditional email campaigns, you might be better off with a product, maybe even adding it onto your website, such as MailChimp or Keep, also known as Infusionsoft. So let's go into some of the basic requirements you will need to set up any website, especially one on Squarespace. You'll need to decide on a professional domain and email address. You'll need to have a basic idea of what you want your home page to say. You'll probably want a product page or a services page to tell about those. Maybe you'll want something, a page about you or about your business. You'll likely want a contact page with an email contact form, phone number, business address, and hours of operation. You'll also want any other collateral that establishes your expertise or authority in your area, maybe testimonials, different projects you've worked on, and so forth. Another thing you'll want is you'll definitely want some good looking videos. I've got some upcoming videos that'll tell you how to go about looking for those images. You'll want some legalese. It's really important these days to respect people's privacy and to establish terms and conditions on your website. Another key element is liability statements that are specific to your industry. I won't be able to get into all of that in this video, but I'll have a link below, and if you'd like, I will get you a new website checklist if you want to subscribe to my newsletter. So great, thanks for watching this overview of Squarespace. I really hope it's been helpful. Keep an eye out for additional videos as well. I'll be putting out much more content on several topics, including digital marketing strategies, photography for building an online storefront, and how to do online scheduling connected to your calendar, all through Squarespace.